having a great time over at Curious Mondo working on this mold making and casting course, teaching us how to mold and cast the ball jointed unicorn doll that we created into resin. So that's what we've been working on. I hope you'll join us tomorrow, especially because that's when we're going to try out all the molds we've been making and show you how to cast them into resin. It's a free course. It's on Curious Mondo, and it's an excellent way to be able to get a close-up look at how you do resin casting. We also had a bonus class in it where I taught how to create a head that can accept a head cap that then leaves your eyes available to be taken out and makes it so you don't have to unstring your doll when you go to get into her head. So this is another way that we can do a head cap and use a magnet to join it. That little face turned out so cute. Anyway, we teach you how to do this type of head cap on the back and use that face as a model for it. So that's what we've got going on. I hope you'll have a moment to join us. The course is 3 more hours tomorrow, and we'll have some more great fun stuff for you to learn. While we've got this workshop going on, we have everything on sale in the store, 20% off with the discount code RESIN, R-E-S-I-N. So be sure to take advantage of that and pick up any supplies or DVDs that you might need. Take care.